Part 1 of the IELTS Speaking Practice Test. In this video, you will be the IELTS candidate named Raj. Listen to the questions by the examiner and respond by reading the text on the screen. Speak loudly and clearly. Good morning. My name is Mark, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you please tell me your full name? Thank you. Can I see your identification, please? Thank you. Now let's begin. Can you tell me where you are from? That sounds interesting. What do you like most about your hometown? Great. Now, Raj, let's talk about your work or studies. Do you work or are you a student? What kind of job do you do? Do you meet interesting people in your job? How long have you been doing this sort of work? Now, let's go on to talk about hobbies and free time. What do you like to do in your free time? Let's go on to talk about friends now. Are your friends mostly your age or different ages? Do you usually see your friends on weekdays or on the weekends? The last time you saw your friends, what did you do together? In what ways are your friends important to you? I'd like to move on to talk about food and cooking now. What kinds of food do you like to eat? What kind of new food would you like to try? Do you like cooking? Why not? What was the last thing you cooked? Let's talk about where you live right now. Do you live in shared accommodation, or do you live on your own? Do you like the area where you live right now? If you could live anywhere else in the world, where would that be? That's great. Okay, Raj, let's move on to part 2 of the test.